my channel. Today we're going to be doing this look using the new Urban Decay Beach palette. I am excited to give this a try. Couldn't wait to get my hands on it, and now I've had it for a couple weeks and I'm just now using it. So yes, we're going to be using this for our eye look today. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just continue to watch the video. Okay, we're going to get started with primer. I'm going in with the Guerlain Lor Primer. I'm not sure what the exact name is, but this is one of my favorites. Take a little bit on my hand here. Okay, next I'm going to go in with the Becca Under Eye Cream, or Under Eye Corrector. And the foundation we're using today is by Lancome. It's another one I don't know how to pronounce. It's the Teint Idole Ultra Wear, I guess. And what color am I in again? Oh, it's 310 BisC, so it has it on the back here. There we go, 310 BisC. And we are going to be using my Clair brush today. So what I like to do is I just like to put the drops on my face and then blend it in. Next we're going to go in with our concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind. And this is in Clair Fair, or Fair Clair. Kind of push it up there. Grab a mirror here. I'm just going to put it in the usual spots. I'm going to blend as I go. Alright, next we're going to go in with our setting powder. I'm using the Coty Airspun, the translucent extra coverage. And I like to use this with a damp beauty sponge as well. Just go in, get some on there. Grab myself a fluffy brush and just kind of brush away any of the excess. So we're going to be done with the face for now, and we're going to go into the eyes instead. And then I am using today the Urban Decay Beached Eyeshadow Palette. This just came out a little bit ago. And this is what it looks like. Very pretty. And I've only swatched this, I haven't actually used it yet. I've been waiting to film with it. So I'm excited to get to use it. And I love the packaging, I love the colors, I love the palm trees. One thing I don't care for is the lid and how it does that like enclosed thing, kind of like the Benefit packaging for their blushes and stuff. I don't really care for that, I wish it was just like flat. So we're going to start off with some eyeshadow primer because I do plan on using some colors and I want everything to set right. I'm just going to grab some of that on my finger. Just put it on my lid. And I'm going to grab a setting powder for the lid. I'm just going to go into my Smashbox Cali contour palette. And I'm going to grab that, what do you call it? Call it a highlight. It's like a matte highlight. I'm going to grab a really fluffy brush here. Now that we got the lid set, the first color I'm going to go into is Salt on the top there. I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Alright, next color I'm going to go into is Daybreak for my transition color. I'm going to grab this fluffy blending brush. It's a little dirty already, so it'll be just fine. Alright, next color I'm going to grab is Heatwave. I'm not really sure how this is going to work out because most of these colors are shimmers instead of being mattes. I feel like there's only one or two mattes in there. So we'll see what happens. Okay, next color I'm going to go into is called 16th Street. I'm going to just try to put that all over the lid. So I'm going to go ahead and just use my finger. kind of like a really weird texture. Like I feel like there's a lot of like flakiness coming off when I'm touching it, so I'm trying not to get it everywhere. I don't know if you can see that in the camera there. Okay, so like, yeah, you can see right here there's like a bunch of fallout using this, which I'm pretty sure that's color. So let me try to get that off before I make a mess. I think we're okay. And the next color I'm going to try is Wedge, and I want to put that in the outer corner. We're going to go into a couple of the ColourPop shades that I have. I have this orange one that is called Sidekick. And then I got another one called Come Clean. It's kind of like a yellow gold. So I'm not sure at what point my camera stopped recording, but I have that orange ColourPop color on the center of the lid now. And I'm going to go in with the yellow on the inner corner. And that yellow one again is called Come Clean. Let's watch that here. Looks like. Alright, now we're going to do under the eye. I'm going to go in with the bigger one. Grab this one here. I'm going to go into that Daybreak again. We're going to do double dip first. I just kind of hate doing my under eye. I get so much powder in my eyeball. I wear contacts, so it sucks. Alright, I like the way that looks. I'm going to go into the Plunge color now, which is this one right here. Take a really thin brush that people probably use for eyebrows. We're going to use it. Let's try to do a wing. I'm not a wing kind of girl, but let's go for it. What do we think? Too much? I think if I go in with a little bit of brown, I can make it work. Let's try that. Oh, let's take... What brush should we use? I'll take another angle flat one. Let's see what we can do. Well, we're going with it. We're going to do the other eye the same. If you think it looks horrible, go ahead and let me know. So that's going to be it for the Urban Decay Beach palette. I like this. I was excited when it came out. I think it's fun. I'm just not crazy about the lid. Alright, next thing we're going to go into is we're going to go back to that Smashbox Cali Contour palette. And I'm going to use both of these. I'm going to go in with this one first, which is the contour color, and then I'm going to do the bronze color. I think that we're going to use the Marc Jacobs for my bronzer, and this is the new one that just came out and it has been getting used. It's called Tantastic. It's by Marc Jacobs and it's the Omega Bronzer Coconut Perfect Tan Limited Edition. So it does have that coconutty smell, which I like. Grab my setting powder again. Okay, we're gonna move on. Next thing I'm gonna grab is the blush from that Cali Contour palette by Smashbox. And I'm gonna grab my blush brush here. Wipe away with that bake. I'm gonna do the eyebrows now, and I'm just gonna do those off camera. Alright, the eyebrows are done. We're going to go on with our highlight. We are using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight. I've had this for a while, so it's been getting some love. And we're we're gonna grab our highlighting brush. This one that I like to use. And then for the inner corner too, I have my Max Fix Plus. So I'm gonna spray my brush and I'm gonna go back into that highlight because I want it to be like really bright. Really highlighty. Then we're going to go into the setting sprays next. I'm still using the Urban Decay All Nighter and De-Slick. So I'm going to do De-Slick down the center and then All Nighter on the side of my face. I just want to do that before I do mascara. That feels so good. Fan just helps you from getting like spots or droplets and helps it dry faster so you can go on to your next step. Alright, we're going to go on with some mascara next. I'm using the Clinique Lash Power Mascara for my lower lash. I did this in a makeup haul and I really like it. And then we're going to use my Shiseido Full Lash Volume Mascara on the top lashes. I'm not going to do fake lashes because I don't think I have time, and honestly I just don't find them very comfortable and I don't want to deal with that tonight. That's just Idole, and I just love this. I need to get some more because I'm thinking mine's starting to get dried out. I'm going to take a little bit of this eyeliner. It's a nude eyeliner by Maybelline. Nope, it's a nude eyeliner by Rimmel. Alright, so we're going to go in with the Milani Amore Shine Lip Color in Tenderness. Here. And I just looked at the clock and I realized I'm running out of time. So we are gonna have to make this quick. Alright, so this is the finished completed look. I got to get going because I have a going away party to get to, but if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Once again, I really appreciate it, and until next time, have a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye everybody. It's really stoked